In this video we are going to show you how to remove the backup camera from Ford Edge 2011, which is similar to the other model. The tools that you need is just the 8mm socket plus the dashboard removal tool and the nose plier and the Phillips screwdriver. It's very simple to remove it. The first thing you do, you remove the 2 screws for the handle. Once you get those 4 screws out, and then you use this dashboard removal tool to pop the panel for the trunk door. And here you go, you got the panel out. To get the cover off, then you need to remove the nuts. There are 6 of them. And by the way, they are size 11mm. It's not 8. And there is 2 clips that you use the nose plier and then you push it in. There is one on the passenger side. When you unclip those, then you can disconnect the connector for the backup camera, and now you can remove the camera. And here you go. The camera comes completely with the whole assembly with the bezel and the envelope. And here is your camera. So if you need to replace your backup camera, and here you go.